Our Kaziranga tour starts from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. View of magnificent Kanchenjunga from our flight. After viewing Kanchenjunga, we reached at Jorhat Airport. The distance from Jorhat Airport to Kaziranga is about 138 km and the cab fare is between Rs 4,000 to 5,000. On the way, we visited Sukapha Samannay Kshetra. The entrance of Sukapha Samannay Kshetra is very eye-catching and massive. It is a monument of immense pride and the surroundings are beautiful and greenery everywhere. Sukapha Samannay Kshetra is located at Mobanda near Dergaon and Jorhat. It was laid in the fond memory of the first Ahom king of Assam, Sukapha, the organizer of the Ahom kingdom, and in recognition of the 600 glorious years of Ahom rule in the state. The project was designed to be one of the major attractions for visitors from across the country and abroad who are interested to know the political, social, cultural and religious heritage of Assam state. It was inaugurated by Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi on 2nd December 2015, such that this mega culture project would be a center of attraction for the students and researchers of the country as well as Southeast Asian nations. Whole environment of the place takes you to the old times. The museum is beautiful with lots of information given in English, so no problem for foreign visitors or visitors outside of Assam. It is a good place for the history lovers and timings are from 9 am to 5 pm. The entry ticket is Rs 10 per head. There are many gripping things to see in the Sukapha Samannay Kshetra. After visiting it, we headed towards Kaziranga at Bonani Tourist Lodge. Bonani Lodge of Kaziranga offers comfy and reasonable keep for each business and leisure travelers who are looking for some economical decisions. It is a professionally managed hotel in the heart of the city. This property is created from fine interiors with pure surroundings that creates a convenient accommodate for travelers. This place is very close to the ticket office of the national park. It takes 2 minutes to walk to the ticket office. Hotel provides facilities like travel information and assistance, local guide, air railway bus reservations, pick up and drop from airport or railway station or bus stand. They also provide sightseeing tour on request. It offers in-house eating place that serves delicious food. Bonani Tourist Lodge is centrally located in Golaghat district in Kaziranga. If you are looking for hotel in Golaghat district in Kaziranga, Bonani Tourist Lodge is the best option for your comfortable stay in Kaziranga. The rooms are nice and spacious. There is AC, which is essential, and some sofas. If you visit Kaziranga, this is the best place to stay. They have rooms for 1,500, 1,000 and 600 per day charges. Even their food is also very delicious. The toilets are spacious as well and have toilet paper. Our Kaziranga Jungle Safari will be starts from tomorrow. Please stay tuned with us for our jungle safari. Thanks for watching this video.